We finally have the first look at the iPhone Fold, and all I can say is, well, this is the iPhone Fold. Allegedly, the leaks came out earlier yesterday or today, I think, and it looks really funny. I mean, it's supposed to replace the iPad mini, but then again, the first question I'm asking is, who is this for? Like, who really wants a foldable that looks like this? I know Apple has been trying to experiment with a lot of stuff like the Apple Vision Pro, the new iPhone 17 Pro design, and now this? If this is real, I genuinely don't know who this is for. Because at first, the Z Flips are for people who want a smaller phone. I don't know why you want a smaller phone, but hey, the Z Folds are for people who want a phone that can expand into a tablet. And then now this. I don't even want to imagine how this looks when you hold it in person. And if this is actually true, I know Apple users would definitely still defend this, but come on. What do you guys think?